Welcome back to Tonghacks channel. In this video, I will show you how to cut a video in Capcut. So here I have my project which consists of a video that I want to cut from the 10-second here to the 23rd second here is the segment that I want to exclude from my video. So the first thing that I have to do is to start on the 10th video here. You can see I will use my pointer here. So this is the mark of the 10 second. I will click on my video and then I will click split. Okay, the icon split will separate my video from the first part to the second part. Okay, and then because I want to delete my video from this to this, so I will mark the second point that I want to exclude here, the 23rd second, and then I will repeat the process here. I will show you again using my pointer here, the 23rd second, and then I click the video and I click split. Okay, now my video is separated into three parts. The first part, and this is the part that I want to exclude from my video, and this is the remaining part that I want to keep in my video. Okay, so now I only need to click on the second video and then I choose delete, and then the second part is deleted from my video. I excluded them from my video. It is simple, right? If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video, subscribe for other tutorial videos, and let me know your thoughts in the comment. Thank you!